Hello everyone, today we are targeting to make $2,000 on the quotex trading platform with this easy strategy, which we have also explained in some tutorials on this channel. We are using this 3-minute strategy which we will explain how to set up to identify good entry for trades. We are using 1-minute candle time frame with the following indicators and their respective settings. The moving average with period 100 and the type WMA, add the line thickness to make it more visible. The MACD indicator, which is used with its default settings. The vortex indicator also used with default settings, and the color for V+ is changed to green. When you have your indicators set up as on screen, then we look at how to enter trades like the sell or put option trade on screen now. When the MACD indicator green line crossed below the red line as indicated with the arrow, and the vortex indicator green line also crossed below its red line at the same time, then it's a good sell entry for 3-minute trades. Let's wait for the sell trade to close, then we continue. We close the first trade in profit, great. Here is another great moment with this strategy to place sell trades. The green line of the MACD have crossed below the red line, and the vortex indicator green line have also crossed below the red line at the same time, making a good sell entry for trades. When the two indicators don't cross almost at the same time, then it's not a good moment to place trades. Also consider to check market support and resistance before placing any trade. Let's wait for the trades to play out at the sell entry.